First, let us welcome from Barangay Purok Dos.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
Our participant is Domingo Gregory III. Our second participant in the most amusing category is coming from Barangay Purok 4. He is Bertomo Gagante. Contestant number 3 from Cabugao Norte. The participant is Kian Dave Aheno. Our contestant number 4 is coming from Barangay Ucados. And she is Arlene Subaltito. Contestant number 5 is from Barangay Igong. And he is George La Rosa. So right now, we have here our contestant number 1 representing Barangay Purok Dos. And at the center area, we have the participant coming from Barangay Purok 4, Bertomo Gagante. Approaching the stage, we have contestant number 3 coming from Barangay Cabugao Norte. Barangay Cabugao Norte participant is Kian Dave Aheno. Next, we have contestant number 4 from Barangay Ucados. And she is Arlene Socaldito. Our contestant number 5, and he is George La Rosa. And we have contestant number 6 from Barangay Ungka Uno, and he is Jose Ismania. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our first 6 contestants in the most amusing category. So we have last look of our first 6 contestants. Thank you so much, contestant. Our last set of our contestants in the most amusing category. And we will start Next, we have contestant number 10, representing Barangay Amparo. And he is Carl Eric Gumban. Thank you so much. Contestant number 10.
Now let's have contestant number 11. Our contestant number 11 is from Barangay Ibawan. And she is Precious Dizon.
Thank you so much, contestant number 11. And now, let's have contestant number 12 from Barangay Maniao. And he is Michael J. Juridico.
And now let's have our contestant number 13. Our contestant number 13 is from Barangay Balapa. And he is Alan Sara.
And we have the last but not the least, contestant number 14 from Barangay Anilao. And he is Haji Torimoro.
And now let's have the last look